Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. We are really looking to eliminate paper waste in our home, and so I decided to go with these fabric napkins from FINGERCRAFT. I have to say they are so lovely. The napkins come in a very generous, wide array of colors. All of the colors are really bright and beautiful. The napkins themselves are generously sized to match a typical paper dinner napkin. And what I found really lovely is that when I washed them, I thought for sure these colors are so bright and vivid, they're definitely gonna bleed into each other. But you know what? None of them did. Even the white one came out crystal clear in the wash. The napkins are also really soft thanks to being a nice cotton linen blend. So you can definitely use these for all of your meal times. They would be great to take with you as well if you were gonna eat an outdoor picnic. And again, I love the variety of colors. There are some beautiful purple and reds, blues, browns. So you really have something for every season of the year with this great pack of napkins. Definitely worth it to go with these and to keep eliminating all of that paper use in our home. And that's my point of view.